So this was we had to continue because it was not working very well, but now it worked. So if you want, you can add food coloring, but I want to add so it's optional, and I'm gonna add strawberry food coloring. It's red, as you can see. So let's pour a little bit, and then slowly you have to get the outsides like this. But mine is the light red, so yours could be dark if you want. And then you have to slowly mix this. Mine is light red, but because the camera shows white, but mine is light red, as you can see. And if you want, you can also add different colors, so it's optional, okay? So now you can, and it smells very well because it's the flavor strawberry. And if you have a flavored food coloring, it could smell like you can make a smelled Play-Doh, okay? And then if it didn't mix, like if you want, you can roll a little bit, and if you spilled, you can take all the flour and put it on it to make it harden, so it doesn't waste. And now, as you can see, if I put it here, it's kind of Play-Doh, see? Right? So guys, this is how you make a very simple Play-Doh, okay? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!